A Russian Air Force Kamov Ka-52 Alligator attack helicopter has been shot down by Ukrainian forces using an advanced Stugna-P anti-tank missile weapon system. Footage shows a Russian Ka-52 helicopter being shot out of the sky by soldiers from 95th Air Assault Brigade, by the anti-tank guided missile. The Stugna-P is an anti-tank missile system designed and manufactured in Ukraine. The laser-guided system has a long range and ample penetration capability. This is the first known case of the hit of a Russian modern Ka-52 helicopter by an anti-tank missile system. The Stugna-P, also known as the Skif, which is the export version, is produced by Kyiv-based Luch Design Bureau. The anti-tank missile weapon system has a range of 5,800 meters and can penetrate armor up to 1,100 millimeters thickness.